So if you load up Instagram and you go to use your camera and you get this message, it's because you need to allow camera access, and I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So the first thing we want to do is go to our settings application, and you want to scroll down and click on general. Then you want to click on software update and make sure you're running the latest version of iOS. Once we've done this, we want to go back to our settings application. Then you want to scroll all the way down until it shows your apps, and then you want to go ahead and find Instagram. It should be in alphabetical order, and click on it. From here, you want to make sure the camera is toggled on, just like so, and you can also go through the rest of your settings as well, like notifications and other stuff. From here, you want to go ahead and open up Instagram, and you want to go and try your camera again, and it should be working fine. If it still isn't working, and then I recommend you reboot your phone, and I'll have a video on how to do that just at the top right. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like and pass it on to someone who may find it helpful as well. Thank you for watching and have a good day.